Good morning, everybody. Well, we made it through another night without anything coming loose, binding up. This is day 2 of a 5.5 day print. I lost one of my supports right there on the end. I hope it will not be a problem. You'll notice that there is some hairy stuff hanging off down there. That is from that support. But other than that, everything is printing well. I have plenty of feel. I can tell right now that it's going to be a bloody nightmare to pull all the support material out of this 3D printer. Now I have another big problem. I have ordered more filament, but it's not here yet and may not be here for a couple days. And I just don't think I'm going to have enough filament to last to the end. The spool is starting to get empty, especially with 3 more days to go. So I hate having to put 3 different colors on this together. When I started, I had 3/4 of a row of filament, and I thought that would be enough. If you attempt one of these, put a brand new row of filament on there to make sure you'll make it. Anyway, I'm gonna make this short, so you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll have another good night. Bye. Bye it all. Have fun printing. Have fun making puppets. Enjoy every bit of your life you can.